mushrooms are interesting, huh?
Yeah. Sort of an odd touch. Yeah, near the hot spring area. There's a section here. I'm at the base of the cliffs, and you can climb up to the Mae Sot cave, which is up there in the saddle. And then they have this shrine here, which is quite nice. Especially, it's very scenic, sitting right at the base of the cliff as it is. And I was just chatting with James about whether all the cliffs you see here in Thailand, whether they'd be suitable for like rock climbing, like people who go up, with ropes or free climbing, whatever it is they do. I have no idea whether this type of rock is, firm enough or suitable for them to hammer in, anchor points and put in ropes and things like that. I never see anybody actually climbing on any of these cliffs. And you think in Thailand there must be climbing clubs, I'm sure somebody here does it as a hobby. Very large Buddha.